Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade presentation skills with Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have one, create an account for free. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button located at the top right corner. In the search bar, type presentation to find various presentation templates. Browse through the available templates and choose one that aligns with your theme. Click on the selected template to open it in the design editor. Familiarize yourself with the editor layout on the left and right sides. Begin by customizing the title slide. Double-click on the text boxes to edit the title and subtitles. Use the toolbar above to change the font style, size, and color. To add additional slides, click on the plus icon in the slide panel. Consider varying the layout by choosing different slide designs from the templates. Incorporate images or graphics by selecting the Elements tab on the left. You can search for specific images or use Canva's extensive library. Drag and drop your chosen images onto the slides. Next, add charts or infographics if your presentation includes data. Click on the Charts option under the Elements tab to explore different chart styles. Input your data into the chart for a clear visual representation. To add transitions, click on a slide and select Animate in the top toolbar. Choose an animation style that enhances your presentation. Preview your slides by clicking the Present button at the top right of the editor. Adjust any elements that may not look right during the preview. Once satisfied, download your presentation by clicking on the Download button. Select the preferred file format, such as PDF or PPTX, depending on your needs. Consider practicing your presentation to become comfortable with the flow. Utilize the Notes section in Canva if you need reminders for each slide. With these steps, you'll enhance your presentation skills while using Canva effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.